Ultimately, what we're asking this year is two things. We have two tracks for participation. One, which is a business product track, where we want people to say, this could add value, this is something that people would care about. So we've seen successful solutions in the past. Out of Colorado Springs, there was a team called Abodio who looked at how they could use public data on real estate, on zoning, on demographics, on movement for other areas to really understand accessory dwelling units or carriage houses. We've also added a business analytics track where we get to see those teams think about how can you provide insights. So it's less about building that product and more about bringing insights to those business decision makers. So we'll be across the state. We'll have a challenge day in Denver. We'll have a challenge day in Grand Junction. We want to bring people together and really get that critical mass of people in the room. So in the past, we've been in 5 cities simultaneously. So we've had maybe 30 people in Colorado Springs and 50 people in Denver and 20 people in Fort Collins. This year, we're asking people to drive a little bit, but instead of a full challenge weekend of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to have a really action-packed fun day on Saturday, March 30th, where we'll bring about 150 people together in the room, share ideas, develop generations, have some of these insights, and then we'll task people to go work on their own in their own communities to solve that problem over a couple of weeks, to say, hey, this is what I've come up with, this is the solution. Ultimately, we'll have 12 finalist teams, and 4 winners will get $15,000 each to do with what they will. So it's really an incentive for that participation and that success. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have a hard stop, so I know you have questions for them, so who wants to start the question? 20 minutes.
So can you go back to the slide and it shows the dates and everything and go over the dates?
Sure. Thanks for giving me a bit more time. I get too excited. So it's now February. We're going to have a kickoff day in Denver on the 27th, in Grand Junction on the 20th. We'll be at Epicentral for pitch night on the 27th. So we'll be here in Colorado Springs on the 27th as well. And then in March, we'll have challenge days, March 23rd in Grand Junction, March 30th in Denver. We'll then have, working independently, we'll have mentors available, we'll have guidance. We partner with House of Genius. We work with Bob Kittredge and other areas for that success. We'll have finalists announced in May, and ultimately a final event where we'll have a couple hundred people together in Denver at the end of May, so May 30th. Thank you.